want to get line drive.
Want to lose weight? Keep eating. For you.
In my financial situation.
What you got?
Now I was raised in a sandbox next to you and her. You was holding a handgun. She was giving birth to a baby born to be just like you. I wonder what's that's worth. I wonder if you ever knew you was a role model to me first. The next day I woke up in the morning, seen you on the news. Looked in the mirror then realized that I had something to prove. You told me, don't be like me, just finish watching cartoons. Which is funny now, cause all I see is Wile E. Coyotes in the room. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. That's ironic. I run it. That's ironic. Ironic.
So all of my wounds, hear my tears, all of my tears.
And there you have it, YouTube. Another little clip. See that SRT? It's another one. JLT on a Durango. Cali muscle Durango.
What up? How's it going?
So far so good. It's done, bro.
You done?
Yes, sir.
What that's touching, homie? I thought you was the air intake man. That's touching right there.
That's how the frame is right there. All this
See
is all
outside.
pushed in.
You see outside?
Not yet. I'm waiting for you.
You got this the other day, this JLT, you sure there ain't no knockoff?
It's JLT. Feel it? You feel it? You feel it?
Oh,
Ain't it sticking?
how did it sound? Should I do it again?
Do it again. I want to hear it again. There you go. Oh yeah, JLT in the house right here. There you go, JLT.
You did a good job.
I did a good job. You like that?
Yeah, you did a good job, man.
You did a good
Appreciate
job,
it, bro.
man. You like
You
that?
did, you know, he the best. I know everybody around the world, you know, if they want an air intake, it's the man right there.
There you go.
Let me see, I got my card for the 600, right?
No, 1,500 with the tax, bro, and the tip
I could have swore you just said 600.
for the intake.
Yeah, you-
Install, tip.
I came with, I thought I came and brought, didn't I have that shit here?
Yeah, you
Yeah, 1,500.
did. 1,500.
Damn, Jay.
That's how it is. Don't you hear the sound?
Always with the motherfucking pocket.
It's comedy.
You're gonna be an actor.
You going me up already?
Air intake is fucking crazy, dude. If you didn't fucking hear that, then you're deaf. You're deaf.
Yeah, Ivan the man. Nigga, Ivan, you got any problems, nigga? Just let me know.
Ooh.
Appreciate it, y'all. Thank you.